Coming down the hill, and it's a bit treacherous because it's so steep, and although it's dry, the grass is still really soaked, so we've done a bit of skidding. There's a bit of skidding action going on there. So that's a little like car park at the bottom of Moel Arthur, and then the path goes up to the right, we think. So we might as well do it while we're here, and it's not a bad day, and it's a bit sheltered down here, and then we'll stop and have a snack maybe, because we've only brought snacks.